Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll show you how to easily create a rotating saber effect above a car in After Effects. Let's begin. First let's click on Track Camera and wait until analyzing is done. Once it is finished, I will select some points on the car because I want the saber to rotate above the car and follow it. Then I will right click on the selected points and choose Create Solid and Camera. Now create a new solid layer. I will name it Saber and then change the size to 4000 by 4000 and hit OK. Let's apply Saber effect on that solid layer. Expand render settings and change composite settings to transparent. Now expand customize core and change the core type to layer masks. I will now grab the ellipse tool and by holding shift on the keyboard I will draw an oval mask something like this. Before we do anything or change any settings, we need to fix the anchor point first, because it is not in the center of the oval mask. If you click on the solid layer, you'll see it's down somewhere there. To fix it, hold Ctrl on your keyboard and then double click on the anchor point tool here. As you can see, it's fixed, and now we can enable 3D on the solid layer and continue with the effect. To ensure the saber is tracked 100% properly, select the track solid layer and press P on the keyboard. Then copy the position and paste it onto the saber layer. Now press S and let's scale the saber to your liking. Now I will reposition and rotate it until it looks good to me. Let's check if it's tracked properly. Everything looks good to me. Now we can toggle off track solid layer and then under the saber effect, change the preset to one you like. Let's change the start size to 0%. Then change the end offset to 65%. To animate and rotate the saber effect, we need to keyframe the mask evolution. First scroll to the beginning of the saber layer and click the stopwatch icon next to the evolution. Then scroll to the end of the layer and set the evolution value to determine how many times you want the saber to rotate. For this example, I'll set it to 3. Let's quickly check it. We can also increase the glow on the saber from here, but I personally don't like doing it this way. Instead, I'll apply the Deep Glow plugin, as it works much better with the saber effect. In case you want more rotating saber effects, feel free and duplicate the saber layer. Then move the position and you can also change the color of the duplicated saber to add variety. Looks cool. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and like the video please.